Focus on me. Some light in the background. Oh, what a professional studio I have. If only you saw what a mess it is on the floor right now. Hey everybody! Ooh, 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 ooh. Today I'm going to do something which I've been wanting to do for so freaking long. Honestly, I've been wanting to do this for years, but I never liked my teeth enough to do this. And recently I whitened them. So now I feel comfortable enough to decorate my teeth. Yeah. I'm going to glue some diamonds on my teeth. Ah! I really hope that they're gonna last for a long time. I mean, if I do a great job, I want them to last for a long time. But if I fuck up, I want to be able to take them off again. I went on Etsy and I got a little teeth gem kit. It's just a small kit with just a few gems in it, but honestly that's fine because I wasn't planning on like covering every single tooth of mine. Even though that would be kind of sick though. So we've got a light. Okay, does it work? I hope so, because I need it. Ah, yeah, boy. Then we've got some glue. The gems. A few of these. Pencil. Oh, I think that's for like picking up the gems. Yeah. Some more glue. And then this, which I'm pretty sure you have to like put under your lip. The card with instructions. And really not sure what this is. This is a little piece of wood. Why is this in there? I was planning on not reading any instructions and just go with the flow. But now that I've seen that there's a little piece of wood in there, I am kind of curious to know what that is for. So I'm just gonna scan this and read the instructions. Oh! I know what it is. It's not a piece of wood, it's a cork. If you're done with the glue or like the resin, you can use this to close the bottle. Do not brush teeth before applying gem. I literally just brushed my teeth for this. I have to wait an hour? Wait at least 1 hour to apply the gem. I do not have the time to wait an hour. I have to do it right now. So I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna do it. Hey, let's get up close and personal. So yeah, I've got a bunch of these gems, but I don't really know what I want the placement to be yet. Look, I was kind of thinking, which maybe it's just a little bit too intense, even though I like intense, but like, because I've got, okay. I have butterfly gems, which are so freaking cute. Like, they look like this. Bing! So you can do like either side of the butterfly on a different tooth, which is so nice. So I thought, what if I do that on like my front teeth? Then it's like symmetrical and it's cute and I can make like a whole symmetric thing because I love symmetry. However, I'm not sure if it's gonna be too intense. Like on the front, it's gonna be cute. I love it, but maybe it's a little bit too... Maybe it's a little bit too intense. Let me think about it for a second. I'll be right back. You know what? I still don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna start with the butterfly first, okay? This is what the butterfly looks like. And I also have these over here. So yeah, those are just 4 super tiny gems that I have to permanently glue to my teeth in the form of a butterfly. That sounds like it's very easy to do. So yeah, I'm gonna put the cutesy patootsy butterfly on my corner teeth. Here. It would have been so nice in the front though. Maybe I'm going to do that next time. For now, on the corner. I think that's gonna be like the safest placement. Okay. So I've got this very weird smelling piece of cotton. It smells very chemical. I have to use this to dry my... I'm choking in my saliva. I have to use this to dry my teeth off. And then put it on my lip. So that my lip doesn't touch my teeth. Yeah? Okay, so let's do that. This thing is bigger than I expected. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, this looks so crazy. This smells very chemical. Is this bad for your teeth? Let's dip it in the glue. And then I'm gonna take a little butterfly wing. Take the other one. I feel like this is never gonna stick, okay. Oh my god, this is so difficult. Okay, and now the smaller ones. Okay, I'm just gonna use this little thingy. I have to set a timer. Hey Siri, set a timer for 60 seconds. 60 seconden. Dankjewel. Hey Google. Hey Siri. Oh, hoeveel staat de timer?
De timer heeft nog zo'n 17 seconden te gaan.
17 seconds. Oh god. Okay, I don't really trust the amount of glue that I put on there. Oh god, no. I'm just gonna go in with some more glue around the edges. Technically speaking, it should be on there pretty sturdy right now.
Ik kan op het web niets vinden.
Okay, shut up, girlie, shut up. Oh my god, it doesn't move! Look at it! Yeah, boy! Wait, that's kind of sick. Look, I got a little butterfly. Oh, it's so pretty. Tastes pretty gross though. But it looks cute. Oh, it's very dry. Oh my god, I love it! Ah, it's so cute! It does feel kind of weird on my lip though. Like, it's pretty sharp. Okay, I'm just gonna glue some more things to my lip because I think this is fun. So let me put this weird thing in my mouth again. I look like those things from the Grinch. You know, from Whoville. I look like a villager from Whoville. Why is it so funny to me? Oh, Merry Christmas. I like how it's looking so far, but I do kind of regret now getting the butterfly on my front teeth. I think that would have been like a lot sicker, because now it's very asymmetrical, which I'm not the biggest fan of. Oh well. I accidentally licked it. No, that's so gross. Wait, I'm gonna rinse my mouth with some water because that was very disgusting. Wait, I'm actually not sure if I'm allowed to do that. Wait. Oh, no, I'm not allowed to do that. Shit. I'm not allowed to do that. Okay, I think I'm just gonna keep it like this for now because honestly, I have this thing where I do not know when to stop. So if I'm gonna continue, I'm just gonna have like braces, basically. My entire mouth is gonna be covered in gems. So let's just stop right here. And then if I want to add more, I can just do it later on the day, you know? So I got my little cork, which I can put on top of the glue. And then I can close it. This, for some reason, makes me very happy. It's very cute. Anyways, yeah, my teeth are done. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at all the bling, boy. That butterfly is so adorable. Look at it. I actually love it. This is so nice. I feel so cool right now. I feel so pretty. I feel so nice. Honestly, I think that my current avatar is like it. The long blue hair, the no brows, the blinged out teeth. I am feeling myself right now. I love it. I'm excited about it. So yeah, this was today's video. I hope they're gonna stay on my teeth for a little while at least like a month. Is that too much to ask? Especially the butterfly, because like if I'm gonna lose parts of the butterfly, it's not gonna look like a butterfly anymore. I'm gonna look like an idiot. But I'm actually like pre-filming this video because I'm going on a vacation in a few days, so I can update you in the comments to let you know if they're still here or not. So that's fun. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye. Ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye. Ciao.